So let's talk about affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Affiliate marketing is actually one of the best ways to make money online as passive income, meaning that if you get it right, it can continue to produce profit for you even while you sleep. Which is why in this particular video, I will be covering all you need to know as a complete beginner in affiliate marketing. So some years back when I heard the word affiliate marketing, I actually thought that it was such a biggie because I felt it required a whole lot of money to start upfront. My first experience in affiliate marketing was actually crazy because I was asked to pay hundreds of naira upfront just in order to learn. So I had to do the research myself, and in today's video, I will be sharing everything I wish someone had taught me to get started in affiliate marketing. And I will be covering some major areas you need to know, like what is affiliate marketing, who can get started in affiliate marketing, how to get started in affiliate marketing in Nigeria without having to spend a dime upfront, the best products to sell, where to sell them, and the best strategies to optimizing your earning potential as an affiliate marketer in Nigeria. I will be putting timestamps in the video, so feel free to move around the video. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is more like being a middleman who earns a commission for recommending products or services. So for example, let's say I am an affiliate to a particular skincare product that I use. I could recommend it to you based on my experience with it. And if you end up buying, I will get a commission paid to me based on whatever has been agreed upfront, whether it is 10% commission, 5% commission, and so on. Now, there are a lot of misconceptions passed amongst a lot of Nigerians about affiliate marketing, as a lot of people think it is a scam because of their experience. I mean, you are lured in with testimonials and you're asked to pay a huge sum to learn the details. And fast forward to 1 year later, you haven't even earned any returns on your investment. Now, let me clear the air. In the real sense, when you understand affiliate marketing, you will see that it is a great means of passive income, which is why I advise you to watch till the end of this video, as this beginner course is completely free. Now, who can get started in affiliate marketing? Well, literally anyone can do it. If you have ever recommended something to someone, maybe like a movie to binge on Netflix or a product to try, you can definitely do this. Now, let's get to how you can get started as an affiliate marketer in Nigeria. Now, if you go online and you have searched previous YouTube videos on how to start as an affiliate marketer or how to start affiliate marketing, you would see a ton and a lot of them, most likely talking about ClickBank, affiliate marketing, and the likes. I actually did an overview on that in my channel. However, you should know that a lot of these affiliate marketing networks that are usually mentioned in these videos are not available in Nigeria or to Nigerians. But there is a particular affiliate network which I will be revealing now in this video that is super lucrative and requires very little amount to start. And the name of this affiliate marketing network is called Selar. Now, to get started, simply type Selar Affiliate Network on Google, or you can just go to affiliate.selar.co. I will be dropping the link in the description, so feel free to go there and check it out. Once you do that, you will be brought into this page where you can start promoting other people's products. So for now, the Selar Affiliate Network only offers affiliates for digital products only. For example, e-courses, e-books, and the likes. So you won't see stuff like shoes or electronics or bags and the likes on it, which is actually good, because one thing about affiliate marketing is about selling the right products to the right people. And in this age and time, what is actually hot and selling and doing well right now is digital products. Now, you want to click on the Get Started icon, and in order for you to be able to view the pool of digital products that are available on Selar, you would need to pay a token of 3,000 naira per year. Honestly, this is literally the only upfront payment you have to do, and it is super affordable. This is yearly stuff, not monthly, so don't even sleep on this. And it is not even up to the chunk of potential earning that you can actually make from this. And in the later part of this video, I will show you how you can also get started with this without any upfront payment. So make sure to stick to the end of this video to get that tip. So now you want to click get started. So once you click get started, you can see you must be registered or logged in to continue. So you need to have an actual Selar account in order to be able to access this. So if you do not have an account, you want to go ahead and create one for free. So you want to go ahead and fill in your details, your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, you confirm password and create an account. I think they're going to send you a verification email because it's been a while I actually opened my Selar account. And once you verify that, it just takes about a minute of your time. Once that is all said and done, you want to go ahead and pay. Now what you want to do is you want to click pay now. So you can see that you can either pay with your bank, with your card, with transfer or USSD. And once all that is said and done and you follow through the process and have completed your payment, you can then be launched into the affiliate network program immediately. Now this is the affiliate marketing marketplace. And you can see featured products, you can see hot products, you can see latest products. Now, basically, the only thing you need to do is pick any product you want to start selling and get the affiliate link. So let's say I want to start selling this secret of online business. I can just click on it and click get the affiliate marketing link. And once I click on get link, I will already get an affiliate marketing link and it will be added to my Selar dashboard. You can also scroll down and choose from various categories in order to see digital products from those categories. So you can see wealth and finance if you want to focus on digital products on wealth and finance. You can see for business, you can see for content and media, professionals, and the likes. Now, once you have selected and gotten all your preferred affiliate links, you can access them by simply going to your profile picture and clicking on affiliate links. That way, you will be able to see the number of products that you are an affiliate to and the number of sales that you have made. You would also be able to see the number of views. So just as you share your affiliate links to people, you can be able to see how many people have viewed your affiliate link just for you to know what is working and what is not. And if you want to remove any of them, you can also click the 3 dots icon here and just click deactivate link and it will be removed. So now what you want to do is you want to start sharing your affiliate link, but not just anywhere, because that's a mistake a lot of people make, and I will be giving more insight into this in the later part of this video. Now, once you get a sale, you will be notified via mail and you would also be able to see it on your affiliate profile page. Now, to get started out for free without having to pay the 3,000 naira upfront, here's what you could do. If you have been a subscriber to my channel, you will know that I recently launched my ebook on 27 proven ways to make money online with skills you never knew you had. And the ebook contains a chunk of my successes in various niches based on the commonest skills I had, but I didn't think much of it, and how I was able to make a profit from it, and how you can also make money online with those skills. So without having to pay upfront, you can actually be an affiliate to this particular ebook. And all I would need to do is add your email to my affiliate store, and that way you can get started out for free. It is really high in demand, but no pressure. However, if you are interested in becoming an affiliate to this ebook guide, I will be leaving a form in the description, so go ahead and fill it out. It will only take a minute. So back to business. Now that we know how to set up our affiliate profile, our affiliate store, how do we sell these products? Now, do not just go ahead and jump on random WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, or Facebook groups and go and just blast your links there because I can read your mind. Yes, I know that's what you're planning to do. Don't do it. However, what you should do is create an audience first. If you have an audience, that's absolutely great. But if you don't worry, you can actually easily achieve this. Now, I'm not talking about an audience maybe you need to have up to 100k followers. No. You can make do with whatever audience that you have. It all depends on strategy. Now, what you want to do is you want to focus on a single social media platform, whether it's Instagram, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Threads, whether it's TikTok, Facebook, or even WhatsApp. And you want to create content relating to that exact product that you are selling. So let's say I want to sell a cookbook. I want to create content that relates to how this cookbook must have helped me improve my culinary dishes, reviews I got from trying out some new traditional meals for the first time, all because of the ebook. Now, your content can either or should either be giving value. You should be answering commonly asked questions. For example, how can I cook a goosey soup faster? And it could also be inspirational too. You do not need to be too salesy whilst creating your post. But what you want to do is you want to be putting out your content in a way that it will be intriguing for people to want to read your captions, to want to read your descriptions, and to want to check out your ebook, which is where you can gradually pitch the product you want to sell. Now, you can't link your affiliate products in your bio. Platforms like Instagram do not allow you to put links in your descriptions or in comments, so you can put them in your bio, or if it's on Facebook or Threads, you can put them in your post or in your comment section. You can also join groups in relation to your affiliate products you want to sell, and you want to first of all give enough tangible value before even thinking of attaching your affiliate products for sale, so it doesn't seem like you're being too pushy or too spammy. Now, here are some strategies that are important to note while starting out as an affiliate marketer. First of all, you need to pick a particular niche. There are a lot of affiliate products that fall under different categories, just as you can see here, and it would not make sense for you to talk about parenting today and tomorrow you're talking about marketing, and the next day you're talking about technology. You would end up having a variety of confused audience that you may not be able to sell anything to. The second one is ensure you are giving value in your content first. Now, your content does not have to show your face, especially if you are camera shy. You can actually take faceless content or motivational quote and post, but ensure you are giving credit to whoever it is due if it is not your original video. Now, the third one is success in this would not happen overnight. Now, this is why a lot of people get frustrated when they pay a huge sum of money to learn affiliate marketing, and at the end of the day, they do not see any returns in their investment in a few days or a few weeks. But do know that you need to put in some extent of work at least to get it off the ground. But remember that as time goes on, you will be getting sales even while you sleep, because your content will keep reaching more people and generating even more revenue for you. The fourth one to note is, as a beginner, do not promote too many products at the same time. Yes, it is good to delve into a number of products under the same niche, but do not delve into more products than you can manage. For example, it is more easier or more reasonable to be an affiliate to 5 products than it is to be an affiliate to 20 products. Now, the fifth tip you need to know is that you need to continue learning. Now, the world continues to evolve, and you would need to keep learning what works and what doesn't. Whatever tip that you may get today may be outdated tomorrow, so you need to keep learning, and you can take free courses on YouTube or even online for you to understand better strategies to implement to get better results. I've linked an affiliate marketing guide in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. The sixth tip you want to get to know is that go for products that are already in high demand. You don't want to be given a totally strange product traction. Products that are high in demand already indicate that people have a need for that product, because you want to be offering solutions to actual problems, not non-existent problems. For example, my ebook is already high in demand, and that is already an indication that people actually need the solution I provided in my ebook. Also, on the Selar affiliate marketing program here, you can see hot products, and this is where you get to see products that are high in demand. And this will help you to get a really easy start in this, as you do not even need to do any intense marketing. Now, if you've watched up to this point, comment the word success, because that is what we are manifesting in our affiliate marketing journey as beginners. Also, I did a sample overview on clickback affiliate marketing and Digistore affiliate marketing. And if you're interested, I'm just going to be linking it to the end of this video, and you can check it out here.